Hello everyone, today in this video I will talk about some international PhD programs in Heidelberg. So it is a graduate school for cancer research, is interdisciplinary structured graduate school for all PhD students working at the German Cancer Research Center. Our PhD students conduct research at the forefront of basic computational epidemiological and translational cancer research. We are formally invite you to apply to join DKFZ and our many distinguished scientists in cancer research. So the next application deadline is 15th May 2024. We can click here to check further the process of selection and how we can apply. We can read here. DKFZ is German's largest biomedical research institute and has international and dynamic work environment, providing students with access to state-of-the-art research faculties and exceptional resources. More than 500 PhD students in over 100 division research group carry out research. Perhaps you too would like to work at the cutting edge of cancer research amongst the leading scientists from the field. The website hopes to give you a taste of what it's like to be a member of our international PhD program. If you're interested in joining our research community after reading this website, we are looking to receive your application. Okay, and then we'll click here. If you are a bachelor student or you have just started your master's degree, you can also take a look at programs for graduate students. First, we can take a look here, application. Second. So here we can take a look about how to apply application, online application, letter of recommendation, evaluation and selection, and reapplication, application from candidates already affiliated with DKFZ. So you can take here further look. Deadline is 15th May. Here by applying using online system, you can click here. So it will be open 6 to 8 weeks before 15th May. Letter of recommendation, you can take a look, evaluation and selection process. Yeah, so that's all. And now we'll take a look about guide to doing a PhD in Germany. You can also take a look here. Now programs for undergraduate students. So if you are not eligible to apply for PhD program, why not join our program for bachelor or master student? You can also join the program for masters and bachelor student. Internships, international masters program, you can take a look here. So yeah, you can also join the program for bachelor's and master student. Now we'll take a look about application, admission requirements. You can also take a look here. So university degrees, proof of English language, letter of recommendation, and online application system. So yeah, this is online application system. So currently closed because they said that they will open 6 to 8 weeks before 15th May. So you can visit here and apply for the PhD, masters or undergraduate. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.